Alright, so let's come down to how to actually add a news. So to add a category, it's pretty simple. Let's say we want to create a category named breaking news. You can just click on add new category and it would display right here. Okay, then we will go to news, add news item, or you can just simply click here. So let's add news. Let's go to lorem ipsum. Alright, let's view our news adding section. So here we have a title, then we have text, and that's it. So let's get started. Let's add a title, which is what is lorem ipsum. Let's paste it right here. Let's add a block by clicking on the plus sign. Then select what is that you are going to add. Let's say a heading. You can select a heading type, H2, H3, H4. I'm gonna select H2. I'm gonna copy this and paste it right here. Okay, I can just select all of it, make it bold, italic. That's totally up to you. And these are a couple of other sections or settings that you can do, like you can duplicate it or insert something before it, or you don't need to do this one. Okay, anyways, so we have this main heading here. This is our news title. Let's add another block. Let's say we want to add an image. Select an image. We can just go to media library, upload a new one, or we can just pick whatever we have in our media library. So let's pick this one or this. Doesn't really make any sense, but okay, let's just go with this one. Select, and now we have a title, then we have an image. You can resize it if you want. Let's add a paragraph, and let's copy this dummy text. Okay, and paste it over here. Alright, so that looks okay. Okay, let's select document from here and make sure you select the category. I made a breaking news category, so I'm gonna select that one. If it's a sports category, you can just select sports, but I'm just giving you an example right now for a new category, so I'm selecting breaking news. Once you do that, you will need to add a featured image. A featured image will be displayed like this one, like this is a featured image, and the image right here, this is a post image which will be displayed once we open the post or news. Okay, so let's select a featured image for our news. Okay, select featured image. For the featured image, I'm just going to select I'm going to select this one. It's just an example, so this will be displayed on the Access Live page. Okay, so I'm selecting this, set as featured image. Once I have done that, this excerpt right here, this is basically the text that is displayed here, excerpt text. If you leave it empty, it will automatically calculate the excerpt. If you want to give it a custom excerpt, then you can just type a custom excerpt here. Okay. Allow comments. If you want people to comment on this news, that's up to you. You can disable it. And that's pretty much it. You can just click publish. And once it's published, you can view it if you want from here. You can also refresh your page to see if it appears in your newly added section. So if we go to what is lorem ipsum, you can see a title, an image, and a text. Alright, so that's how you add news. And I have already told you how to add a category. So let's visit our Access Live page. So as you can see, it's automatically being displayed here. And here it is. What is lorem ipsum? Make sure the title is a little long so it can, compensate for the space, because right now the date is getting stuck next to it. Anyways, so here we will see a new category named breaking news, and here it is. This is your excerpt, this is your news. And once again, if we go to the top, well, let's just see from here what is lorem ipsum. Okay, so that's how you are going to add a new post or news